Okay, we'll now move on a little bit faster. We have a little band schedule. Our next topic: who is the real hero in the financial advisory business? Advisor, product, strategy, or economy? And I'll request the panel on stage. First of all, our chief guest, Mr. V. Ramesh, Deputy CEO, AMFI, to be on stage, please. Mr. Dhirendra Kumar, he doesn't need any introduction, from Value Research. Mr. Naveen Tiwari, Head Sales and Marketing, Birla AMC. And Mr. Ashish Somaiya, Retail Sales Head, ICICI Prudential. First, I would like to put the stage to Mr. V. Ramesh. Would like him to share his thoughts on this topic. Who is the real hero?
Good morning, friends. Good morning. What is that? Good morning. Good morning. You've forgotten. He taught you so much and you've forgotten so soon. That's life, right? I'll be a hero today, you'll be a hero tomorrow. But people will forget heroes. Rajesh Khanna was forgotten, Amitabh came in. Shah Rukh Khan has come now. So hero is a hero at a particular time, at a particular moment. There are three types of categories given to decide. It's a kind of a debate. Fortunately, we are not divided saying that you talk about strategy, you talk about economics, you talk about advisors. Otherwise it would have been a kind of a debate that was happening. But I think everyone is a hero at every particular point of time. So therefore, when I saw this title, I thought, or I could feel, I believe that it's not a correct question to ask at all. Sometimes economy is a hero. In 2008, that was a hero. Sometimes the strategy is what you plan. Certain things work, certain things doesn't work. When it works, it's a hero. When it doesn't work, it doesn't. Like yesterday, Sumit explained to you various strategies. It has worked for him. It's a hero for him. And sometimes it's not. So I would think that each one has to think that they are the heroes. I don't know if you have seen the movie Kahani, right? There was no hero. That was what it was mentioned. But I thought everyone in that movie was a hero. Right from that police station guy, you all have seen it?
Yeah.
Yeah, right from the police station guy to the guy who was putting the gas, to everybody and the one who was helping, Vidya Balan. It is one of the most fantastic movies that I have seen for a long time. And I enjoyed it more because I also act, I am also in a stage, we have a drama troupe and we stage dramas. So I look at various things in a movie when I see it. And that's why I didn't like Agnipath one bit, but it was a hit movie. And there was a hero there, right? So hero is a nomenclature which many times you use correctly or wrongly and things like that. But I would tend to believe saying that in this set of 3 or 4 things that you have put across, and one thing I was wondering why client is not there, which something we were talking about yesterday, saying that we all miss client. Sumit mentioned every time we tend to miss out client. Perspective is always from here to there. He had put 4 rows and he said from here to there. like that from there to here it's not coming. Even in this title, you have missed out clients, which Sadiq also just mentioned to me in the morning. I would request each one of you to think that you are the hero, and that's how the business is done. When you want to do a business, you have to be a hero. I have done distribution. I always thought I was a hero. In mutual fund, I have done sales, I have done marketing, I have done compliance for some time, I have done operations, I have done customer service. Every time I think I am the hero. When I did sales, I thought that sales is the best thing to be. From sales, I moved to operations, and people laughed at me. And I took a risk. People said, from sales to operations, how can you go like this? But then I said, it's a challenge, I'll take it up. That's how in Birla I moved from sales to operations, and then moved to Prudential ICICI. At that time, it was Prudential ICICI. So, hero is I would say it's a misnomer, mostly. So, I will not attribute anyone as a hero except that when I am talking to advisors, advisors are the hero. Because unless you believe that you are the hero, hero is what? Hero is a creation. Heroes gives a connotation that you are on top. As simple as that. So effectively, if you are believing you are a hero, the confidence of sales will come in. He gave a wonderful story of himself, Raghu Vari. And there was a Tamil actor called Raghu Varan. So I don't know how Raghu and Vari has come and become Raghu Varan. So the confidence is what it sells. And how will you get a confidence that you have to believe that you are the hero, irrespective of what happens otherwise. So even in a drama or in a play or in a movie, you are playing a particular character, there will be somebody touted as hero by someone else, but you, deep inside, you believe that you are also a hero and you are doing a particular job and you have a particular character in that. And that is how it brings out a lot of reality, passion and the ability that comes in out there. That being what about heroes, I would like to slightly digress here and say that I am the hero as far as Amphy is concerned. So I want to take this opportunity to talk to you all on Amphy, what we want from you. One of the things that we have noticed often, of late, is that last 2 years there was something called KYD which was done. All of you have done that, right? It's Know Your Distributor. What is it meant to be? It is a KYC for the distributor. But what is happening today? There are many distributors who have changed their address. They have not informed us. They have changed the email ID, not informed us. They have changed the phone numbers, not informed. They changed the name, not informed us. Can you beat this? As a hero, I should take a stick and tell them, saying that there is a punishment coming into you. And we are going to do that. Please remember, a KYD is done, which means you have registered with us. Remember to update your information on a regular basis. Where did it all start from? How many of you have done due diligence here? Anyone? What? One hand, right? You are comfortable about due diligence? No. Okay. I had some people coming and telling me, saying that why don't you do due diligence on me? It will say saying that, see, Amphy has given a certificate, he has done a due diligence, I am fine. So, in a sense, I am regulated. You can tell your customer. So that I am doing good in my job. So there are some people who felt bad saying that someone is going to come and kind of police me. Some people said saying that, please come and do it, even though I am not there, why don't you do a due diligence on me? So it's all a perspective of how you look at it. And while doing due diligence, we try to contact people who are there in that 400 numbers, and that is why you come to know some people have closed down, one person is expired. There are some people who have changed their addresses, phone number changed, persons have gone, everything has happened. There was a bank who was trying to cancel their ARM. They came up and wrote a letter to us. Because due diligence came, they say, let me close the ARM because I am not doing the business. Someone has signed. The authorized signatory and the KYD has not signed. Somebody else has signed. The discipline that Raghu was talking about in the morning is all these things. I request you once again that any changes that happens on the details that you have submitted, please make a correction, make an updation in our records as well. Okay, we may come out with certain code of conduct where these things will be punishable. We are reviving the code of conduct now. Reviving the sense we are redrafting it. So all these things will come into there as a need for